Okay, now this is the typical, very popular question on the maths reasoning papers when we're doing the 11 plus, calculating fractions of. We start off with a nice easy peasy question, 1/4 of 56. So now, when we're working out a fraction of something, we are dividing by the bottom number, the denominator. I'll just say bottom just to make it more simple. Okay, this is the bottom number here, 4. And then we are multiplying it. Let me grab a blue. We're going to then multiply it by the numerator, which is the top number, which in this case is 1. So whenever we're dealing with a fraction of something, is division by the bottom times by the top. In order for me to make this nice and easy on the space we have available, I'm going to do the division upside down. I call it an upside down bust up. So we're going to divide it by 4, and the answer goes down because I'm going to carry on the calculation down. How many 4s go into 56? Well, how many 4s go into 5? It's 1, with 1 left over. How many 4s go into 16? Which will give us 4. So I've done the red part of the calculation, which is this part here. I've done the dividing by 4. Okay, lovely. Now I have to do the timesing by the top number. So let's grab a blue pen. So we have to times it by 1 because the top number is 1. And 14 times by 1 is 14. And the question's done. So that's one way of doing that question. We can also do it in a fraction format as well. Okay, where we should replace the off with the times. Let's have a look at a question where we have no 1 in the question. So the top number is not 1 anymore. You have 2 separate numbers, which are none of them are 1. So 3/4 of 3 to 8. So the technique is divided by the bottom number. Here's my upside down bust up. How many 4s in 3 is nothing. Remainder 3. How many 4s go into 32? That will give us 8. How many 4s go into 8 is 2. So 328 divided by 4 will give us 82. Then we have to multiply by the top number. So the reason why I do upside down bust up because I need to carry on the calculation going down, and if I do on the top, I'll go into a different question. I'll crash into something. So 2 times by 3 is 6. 8 times by 3 is 24. 0 times by 3 is 0 plus 2. So that gives us 246. And I hope that helps in this short video in understanding how we work out fractions of something. Thank you for taking part in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give us a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.